In this video, I am going to show you how to connect USB mouse and keyboard to Android with USB OTG cable. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's get started. To connect USB mouse and keyboard to Android device with USB OTG cable, connect the USB OTG into the micro USB port on your Android phone or tablet. The device will set as a host like a computer. Plug the USB mouse or keyboard to the standard full-size USB port of the USB OTG. Then you will see the cursor option on your screen. Here, one thing to know, some Android devices don't have the hardware support, so not every device supports USB OTG. That's it. It cannot be easier anymore. With the mouse and keyboard plugged into the phone, you can enjoy Android game in your phone and tablet. Have fun. That was our today's video. Hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.